Hello guys! So right now po, kumakain si Alexa ng cake. Galing kay Tito Busol. So si Tito Busol, binilhan ng cake si lola niya. Ayan, so right now po tinitaste test namin ang kanyang cake.
Yummy.
So ang cake na ito ay red velvet from Red Ribbon. Yummy! So anong masasabi mo, Miss Alexa, sa cake na yan? Is it delicious? Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. So, we're gonna try it.
Yummy.
Yummy. Excited? Yummy. Wow. Ang sarap. Tamtaman lang yung tamis. Yum. Yum. Say, yum. Say,
Yes.
it's delicious. Not too sweet. The taste is sarap. Halo yung icing niya.
Yeah.
Sarap sarap. So guys, try nyo din ito ang red velvet ng Red Ribbon kasi masarap. Right, Alexa? Right. Good. Say like this. Maybe. Good. So, that's all. That's all for today. Till our next vlog. Please comment and subscribe. Bye.